Okay, so now in this video what we're gonna do is we're gonna add more AI characters. First of all, I will show you how you can add another walkable AI character, right? We have this first one in this AI character, so now let's add the second one. For that, open up the AI folder, then the crowd folder, and from the crowd, let's select this second character now. Okay, its rig is humanoid, and then create from this model. Alright, let's add the next character as a male character. Because we already added one female character, alright. For the height, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just use 1.3 or 1.28. That's it. Let's compare it with our player height. Right here, if we check it, the height of this character is really big, so let me change it to 25. Nope, let's change it to just 2. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it as 1.22. That's it. Now let's add this character in the AI characters main object, and let's move it, for example, right here. Alright, and once you size your character and add it, okay, now for the animator, we're gonna create a second type of animator for this. So let's duplicate this animator and name it as walk2. Okay, so your first step will be to add the character, resize it, and then place it wherever you want to place it. Alright, for example, I place it right here. And if you are using any other character, you can place them right here as you saw in the introductory video. Alright, now once you create a animator for it, click on the character, drag and drop it. This will be your third step. Now the fourth step will be to open its animator and change the walking animation in it. So for that, let's check the animations. They are inside the crowd folder. I think, okay, these are animators. And if you go back to the AI folder, in here you will find the traffic AI, or you can just double click on this animation and it will select it from here and open up the folder as well. Alright, so for the male character we will use this walk. So what I'm gonna do, you can either delete this animation and then drag and drop it in there and set layer as default, and then make a transition from that to falling death and set the is dead to true and remove has exact time. That's it. This will be your fourth step. Now the next one is to copy the component from the first character, which is this script. So copy component, click on this one, click on paste component as new. Let's move it up right there and open it up. Then the second we have the animator, we now need to add the nav mesh agent. So copy component and right here paste component as new. Then copy the capsule collider and right here paste it. Then the dead body pick script, so copy component and on this one simply paste it. Then the last one is the character controller, so copy it and paste it right here. That's it. Now for the references in here, we just need to provide the dead body pick area. So for that, inside this character, we're gonna create an empty game object, name this as pick or pick area, whatever you want. Then select it, move it a little bit back and then up right here. That's it. This will be the pick area of this character. So select the character and drag and drop the pick area in there. Alright, and the other references are good. Then in this script everything is good as well. Now we can just simply start the game and you will notice this character will be walking. But before starting it, make sure that you click on its animator and you set the walking animation to loop time loop pose, then bake into pose right here as well and right here as well, and change it to original. That's it. Make sure that you do these changes. Then you can play the game. And when you play the game, let's click on scene view. There is the character. Alright, if you turn on the gizmos and select the character, as you can see here it is. And if you notice, this character is creating random waypoints and walking towards them, as you can see. Now the next waypoint is right there for this character. Alright, we just need to increase this character speed. So let's make it 1 right here in the nav mesh agent and right here in the script as well. I think 1 is slow for it, so let's make it 2, and right here as well 2. Oops, select it again. I think 1 will be a good value for this character. Alright, so stop the game and just in the script right here make it 1. Alright, and this one will be applied to the nav mesh agent speed when the game starts. That's it. So in this way you can add the walkable AI. Okay, you can just now rewatch this video and add more and more walkable AIs to wherever you want. Alright, now in the next video what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the second type of AI character, okay, which will be standing in their place or sitting in the chairs right here. Alright, we will be adding them, and make sure that you duplicate these walkable AIs how many you want. Okay, I will just add 2 because I've shown you guys how you can add them, and now this is your task to duplicate them in your whole environment. So now with this done, let's end this video right here.